Yo, how's it going, people?
What's up?
How is everyone?
What's good, Sammy?
Chilling.
All good. What about you, Eamon?
What's up, Sammy? How you doing?
I'm all good, brother. How are you? How's your week been?
Been good, dude. I think I tore my MCL though, so
Oh, nothing nasty.
yeah, it kind of sucks. But lots of screen time, dude, because I'm not walking around. So
You weren't playing soccer, were you?
no, I coach high school wrestling. So
Hey, when you missed it last night. We were talking about soccer last night.
oh really? You guys play soccer?
Well, over here in the UK we do, yes.
Dude, soccer's too much running. I don't know about that. Yeah,
I'm
dude.
beating you guys in like 10 minutes because I'm heading to the shower. And then I'll jump right back on.
Oh,
So, catch you in 10.
No, you better stay right there, mister.
I gotta go, bro.
No,
I bet you can hear the shower running in the background.
I bet you can take a 30-minute shower before Paul gets on.
Okay, I'll leave you to it.
no problem now.
It's purchased right now. I finally got an actual, like, legit beard brush. Boar's hair. Worth every freaking penny. It was only like $10.
Is it like a fine tooth one, or are they like wider?
It's a brush. It's not like, I don't have a long beard, but it's like my beard's only like an inch long. But it's like a brush. It's not a comb. So it's got bristles, but it's like legit boar's hair. My problem is with a beard, like I'm Italian, so like it's like real coarse and thick, and it'll just stick. You know what I mean? So
Yeah,
What's up, Paul?
that's legit.
What's up, guys?
What up, Jay?
What's going on, Jay?
Good, man. How are you guys?
Pretty good.
Jay, how was your week?
Good, man. I just literally bought a monitor, a 4K. Not the 4K, the Samsung Curve.
That's what's up, dude.
Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, all I'm waiting for now, I'm just waiting to save a little bit of money. I want to get a tower. So I need something little, nothing too crazy.
So are you just like you're having your laptop shoot the screen onto your monitor, or what?
I have my Mac and it's connected to the monitor. So I have one screen on my Mac which is looking at you guys, and I have another screen which is I could do whatever. I could go on Safari or whatever. Actually,
I'm gonna throw this out there because I was looking at it today at lunch. I have PC and I got an extra 4K 27-inch monitor that I plug in next to my laptop. But I'm thinking of they're like $100 on Amazon. Thinking of getting and you can get them in 1080p. Thinking about getting a projector.
oh yeah.
Pretty cool.
You know what I mean? And then like just boom, just have it, because then I could they're Bluetooth, so you can just kind of like, my apartment's set up. It's only like 650 square feet, so I have limited space for everything. So that way I can like sit back and just have it 100 inches on the wall.
There you go.
The only thing with this
Yo,
is that
you know how much anxiety that would give me if I was in a losing trade and I could just see it on the entire wall?
That 2-foot tall candle.
That's a new level of anxiety right there.
You would be locked in. That would be easy to read.
Yeah, dude. Or you wouldn't sleep all night, one or the other.
Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't plug it in. I wouldn't be in my bedroom. That's for sure. Wouldn't be on the bedroom wall with that.
Here we go. What's up, YouTube? What up, CS, JR, Professor, Asif, Paul, Claudio, Sergeis. Hello. Alright, Zoom. London session, is that what we're doing?
Sounds good to me.
Wait, GJ won the poll?
Yep.
Oy.
Sammy turned the tables yesterday. He had like 7 votes for GJ in like a few minutes from everyone else.
That's it. I'm gonna take his toenails off with bamboo shoots.
I'll send some of my stray cats his way.
Please do. Preferably some of them with rabies.
All right.
Hey, what? I see your username. It's Jay Harder. What's your name, dude?
Jonathan Harder.
Jonathan. Dude, I'm obsessed with your accent. It's better
Yeah.
than Sammy's accent. Yeah.
I'm from Texas, so
You have the best accent of the group.
Ammon,
awesome.
that's very disturbing. Very disturbing.
You need to stop,
Dude, I
flirting
love
with
Southern
everyone.
accent. I wish I had one so bad, dude. I want a Southern accent.
Come live in Texas for a while. I'm sure you'll pick it up.
Then I just sound like a weirdo if I wasn't from there and I tried to act like I was.
I mean, it won't change anything from now, so I mean, it'd just be normal then, right?
Shade.
You threw shade at me earlier, so you know it's fine. All right, well, we got London.
That Wisconsin cheese farmer accent, though.
I don't even like cheese, so it's fine. Nice try. All right, London. We are a little bit into it because there was some news, so we skipped past it. We want to do some top-down analysis. Okay. Move this. Let's get away. Come on, you guys were chatty before we started. You guys wouldn't shut up.
Yeah, put the line right there. That looks awesome.
Perfect. And then maybe here.
Yeah, that works.
Okay.
Would you like it more under the wicks or under the bodies?
I do the bodies.
Okay.
You can do the wicks. Just whichever one you pick, just make sure it's always wicks or always bodies.
Okay.
Be my
Yeah,
recommendation.
I was thinking if it went down, that'd just be kind of a super target, I guess.
Yep, I agree. I think both would be right.
Okay.
Own these.
That middle zone's got like support and resistance all the way across the chart.
Yep, kind of goes back and forth here. 30-minute. Yep. To the 1 hour. Zoom out a little bit. What do we think? Anything else?
What's the distance from here to about here?
$26.
Okay, nah. Let it ride like that. Looks good.
30-minute.
We broke this area right here. do you think about that, or no?
The green line, I don't think that's kind of just in the middle of everything.
It is. It's more of an area that I'm just kind of concerned with. You know, it's rangy. It's in the middle of the range, but I don't know why it's hanging out there like that. You know, this whole thing here.
But would you do anything from there then?
No, just keep an eye on it. If price came back down, I'd probably take take 50% of profit or something if I took a sell from here. But there's nothing to the left of where we're at right now, so I'd probably say clean move up until she starts to come back down. It's just an area to keep an eye on.
Okay. Let's see what happens. What are we waiting for an entry? What is everyone thinking?
I wait for resistance to go up.
Yeah.
Support.
Me, I'm looking for resistance. You know, if she gets up here, then I'm taking a sale to come back down. That's
Okay.
clean traffic to the left.
Sergey, I get better trades in a London session.
Yeah, 30 minute. Yeah.
What's up?
Oh, I was about to say, what time frame are we on? But I saw 30 minutes.
30 minute, yep. If you can see it, it's right here on the bottom. Otherwise, it's up here too.
I got you.
If you can see it, sometimes it gets a little blurry.
Yeah.
Leave much room for buys.
What?
I don't think it's going to leave that much room. If that closes bullish again, it's not going to leave that much room for buys.
Oh, to get back up to here?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, if we pull back, though, that's what we'd want to see.
If I feel like if we break this area, we could come and catch this move right here.
There we go.
I don't know. I don't see any buys till we return back to that 567-ish area.
Can I take a sell, please?
Okay, this is the one time. Otherwise, no rewinding.
Oh, we're not doing no more. Oh yeah, because we already know what's gonna happen.
Yep, so we know this goes a little bit, but... One to one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For future, make sure you guys say it before the candle starts, otherwise you're just entering where the candle is at.
What?
If this one closes bullish, I want to buy. Just by the way.
Jamie, how do you want to manage this? If you want to manage this?
What are we at right now?
Same with Amon. I'll take a buy.
Yeah, if they close this bullish.
Okay. How did you want to manage it? I didn't hear you.
What are we at right now? How many pips in?
I think you're up like... You're up 6 now. 5.
I'll take my crumbs right now, and wait for a better entry later.
I don't think that was a great trade, to be honest with you. So we had resistance here, and we broke it. So can you draw what I'm about to draw? And see if you can... Can you see it? Do you see what I'm about to draw?
Yep, hang on there.
And then...
Oh, Jamie was faster.
There we go. So you see what you should have maybe waited for?
Yeah, yeah, after, but yeah.
Yep. It could keep going down, but I think if we get a bullish close,
that's too weak for me.
Yeah, it's too small of a candle, I feel.
Hammond, same thing.
Yeah, I guess there's probably gonna be something better. I don't think it's horrible though. Just kidding. It's terrible.
I'm a
Okay, so let's see what's going on here. Looks like the hourly is trying to make
Peppage
some.
is asking for a buy limit at the mid blue line.
Mid blue line. Yep, it's too late now. I did not see that in time. If you sent it in time, gotta send it before. If we go back to it, I'll add one in for you.
Oh, this is the 1 hour. Okay.
Yep, alright. Yep, yeah, no, I see where it is, but it was already away from it. So we'll add in your buy here. Where do you want your stop loss at? Alright, you got about 10 seconds to say where you want that stop, or we're just gonna keep moving.
Come on,
Right.
Professor Peppage.
Too long, we're just gonna keep moving. If the hourly can close bullish. Oh, okay. What do we think?
I mean,
I like it.
it's above the resistance. There's clean
I would
traffic
buy-
over to the left for the most part. It does get choppy a little bit over there on the left side, though. But is that old enough that it would kind of like not be really relevant? But
Where?
on the hang on, I gotta grab my mouse. On the left of the screen there. Hang on. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's still messy here too, so. But I think we made support. I think we're gonna go up.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
expect price to fill the wick.
There we go.
So, look, so you guys want some
what I
buys?
was pointing at. Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just set it 1-to-1. There we
Yeah.
go.
Pippage wants to jump in this time. He says take profit at the highs. Is that correct, Pippage?
Once it breaks the body, if the wick is more than 10 pips, okay, well, we'll get one in and we'll leave a runner. We'll leave a target up to here. See what happens. Once we hit break even, or once we hit 1-to-1, we'll go break even if we hit it. If the hourly closes against us, then we minimize.
Tried so hard to play it cool. I took your hand and took a knee, and I said, would you come and make
Whoa.
Hello.
That was the last.
Oh.
That was the last 5 minutes. Go.
Was that volume or news?
That was a low impact. That was volume. That was NY. No, yeah, that was NYSE open. That's why. We were way past London. Yep. Perfect. Buy support.
Nice structure.
Yep. So, Jamie,
Yes, sir.
you were on the wrong side.
Initially, but I
Init-
managed my trade.
You
I
did.
got out with crumbs, and then I re-entered for a buy on the better entry.
I agree. But do you see how you could have known which side to be on?
Yep. Still working on that vision. Saw that resistance there.
Yep. So just to help you work on that vision, we have this resistance here, and we're breaking through it, so we're going up. So then if we're going up, maybe let it pull back, and then if you get a support, you can take it back up. But if it pulls back and it just keeps coming, and it breaks back under, let's say, like here, or it makes the support and then breaks it, then you just wait for a pullback for resistance, and then you can get in there, kind of thing.
Gotcha.
Okay, let's go to the next day. Oh, that thing launched. Alright, we got more GBP news. Let's get past that. Here we go.
Damn, that would be a nice runner.
That thing got wheels on it.
A little bit.
It went up. Yeah.
Alright, so we'll clear these. Probably some new zones, I'm assuming.
Yep.
Mhm.
Alright, what are we thinking?
When they're at the top.
It's a bracing leaf, breaking leaf.
Okay.
That's. Oh well.
I would put a line on 144.656.
That's what I was thinking of. I was hesitating though. 656. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be a zone.
Yeah, the bottom one. Sorry, not the top one, the bottom one.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Right there?
Yeah, that's where I would put it at.
Okay. Anything else, or should we go to the 1 hour?
Oh no.
We're so far up.
Keizo wants the retest. I think this is too far away.
Yeah, it's too far. I don't think that's relevant right now.
Yeah, I would say that's too far. Even this one's too far, but this is just like, just in case we rip down. 1 hour. Oh, hold on. 1 hour. Zoom out a little bit.
What can we see looking left? Like anything to target or wick fill?
It only shows so many candles.
Okay, then it's fine.
Okay, so we can see up to
what
here.
about this right here? Yeah.
Okay.
30-minute.
How about right here?
You read my mind.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
I think that's good enough.
Yeah.
You have a lot already.
Pippage wants.
Very close right now, so I expect it to come down, maybe create like a support down, come back like a, and then push up maybe.
Okay. Pippage, which one? This line here at 226 or 785? Go 286, 785. Current middle, you want a pending buy, I'm assuming?
I think he's talking about 226.
Yep, yeah, I just want to know what he wants there. Buys, sells, where's the stop loss, target?
Wait, is the string participating too?
Yeah.
Writing in the chat? Oh, that's dope.
Yep. They just need to speed it up. Okay. Just make sure you type in the chat quick enough when we get there. I'll try to make sure I look at it quick enough. What up, Sharma?
There it goes.
Oh, well, whatever.
Yep, I was expecting something like that.
Well, at least it contacted that.
You were expecting that?
No, I was since it was really bullish. I thought some like it would come back, retrace, and then push up maybe, but not just like this. This is like a lot of volume.
Yeah, I was gonna say if you expected that, you are a magician.
Seriously,
Yeah.
what in the world triggered that? Was that some session open, or was that news?
There
Might be
was
break.
news at 8:30 unemployment rate, but that
Okay.
was 8:45. This was 8:30.
So it just took a minute to
Yep.
digest it.
Yep.
At
Pretty
least it
much.
kind of respected. I mean, it did respect that support down there.
Yep.
So let's just see what it feels about it.
Mirror that down.
There it goes.
I'm gonna keep going.
I feel like it should be pushing down maybe. Or
Yeah, it's gonna try and fill that wick.
I mean, it was
Right.
ranging down there for a minute though, so it might come back
But
up.
if we make a resist,
I would wait for a support. I'm waiting for a support to be created.
Say goodbye.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
You gonna buy that?
yeah.
No, I don't like that. I would want it to. If the bullish candle is smaller than the bearish candle, so
Okay.
I don't know. It could go down.
Okay, Leon, you want it?
I don't want it right
So
now.
what? Before you do it, so explain if the bullish candle. Well, hold on a second. If the bullish candle is if the prior red candle supersedes the bullish, is that more of an indicator that because the wick is almost no, the wick's nowhere near it.
So what I
Nah.
see is because it's because of the news, but it's like it's bearish right now. There's strong bearish movement,
Yeah.
and a small bullish candle could be just a retracement for it to fill that wick. So I'm not sure. I'm looking for a buy, so I'm not trying to.
That makes sense. No, let it ride, man.
All right, let's see.
hey Paul, if this closes bullet bearish, I'm taking some.
Okay. Like that?
I wouldn't touch that.
It's kind of weak.
Still going to a
No.
low range.
Oh, I mean, we did break. What chart was that?
I'll take that. Cool.
Hourly.
Okay. I mean,
Paul, I want to take that.
Yep, I hear you.
Sammy,
Got
what's
you, bro.
that?
What's the
Boston.
distance?
The bossing me
Quick shit.
around.
Yeah, how many pips do we have from that candle to the lowest support?
But down here, about 40.
Ooh,
Full
I'll
wick
take
fills about 45.
I'll take it.
Oh, you could keep adding if you wanted to.
Yeah, it's called stacking, bruh.
I didn't know. I thought it was other ones.
I'm just getting one in for Sammy and one in for Jamie. Alright, the bus is left. You're in it or you're not.
If it breaks the high, I want to enter for a buy.
Okay. So at that point right here, you guys have hit 1-to-1. What do
Yeah.
you want to do? Anything?
I'm
these,
taking it.
these TPs down here, this one is 3-to-1. This one's about 4-to-1.
So I want to close 50%. Move my stop to break even, please.
Okay.
And close mine full for
There.
1-to-1. Is all you need.
Yep, that was beautiful. I think it's gonna try and push that wick fill.
Yeah, probably.
It should close it bearish. I'm taking full close.
Alright, close like that. What do you want to do?
Let's take it all.
Alright, beautiful. You made a little bit more.
Still think it's gonna fail.
Mm-hmm. And then watch it just dump like 100 pips. Because we do also have this here as well.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
yeah.
we could be coming back for that. Let's see how it plays out. Yep.
That's it.
Whoa.
There we go.
Oh, that's dirty.
Called it.
There we go. So it's just something to be aware of is when you see the traffic like that, there's a pretty high chance it's going to try and push that. I mean, if price was,
What was that?
if
It's
price
just
was,
a lot of volume.
I think, yeah, that was NY. That's all.
Okay.
So if price is like super, super far away, don't anticipate it to just run through everything. But since we're here and we're under this support and we only have to get through here to get to here, there's a good chance it's going to try and push that.
If it creates resistance, I think it'll take a sell.
We're getting a little bit of New York in here for you, Emin.
This is support created. I might look for a buy, but
We're hunting those buys.
yeah. Oh, this is bad.
Did you want to buy there?
I take a sell.
That's what I'm looking at.
I think I'll take a sell.
Candle's not closed yet.
I think if it breaks the high, I would enter for a buy, and my stop loss under the candle.
Well,
Just teasing you.
Yeah.
Here, I'm going to put a pending up there just in case it does, then we don't miss it.
Yeah.
I'll just set it 1-to-1 once I get this in.
Yeah. I would take 1-to-1, like 80% of it.
Okay. It just hasn't triggered you just yet.
Okay.
Oh, I lied, you're in.
Okay.
1-to-1 is that TP, just so you know.
Okay. So on that, I would take 80% and then put my stop loss at break even and leave a runner.
Okay, here, I'll remove TP then, and then when it gets there, we'll pause it.
Okay.
You want to manage it? Let it ride?
I would want my stop loss higher, like trail stop.
Okay.
Under the wick.
Alright, so you went from like 32 pip stop to an 8 pip stop, so you cut that by like 70%.
Nice.
If I can do math properly, I think that's about right.
Oh,
What?
if this closes bearish, we'll take a sell.
Okay.
I
I'm not
think I'll
using.
close
I'm
50%.
not. What?
I'll close 50% at this point.
Okay. Yeah, you're pretty much break even. I'm not using
Okay.
the magic keys. Girl TV TY. It's this right here. The magic keys doesn't work for the simulator, or I don't know how to do it. So
Yeah,
One
I
of
don't
those.
think it works. I have that too, but just use the.
yeah. I don't... Ooh, that was disrespectful.
Yeah.
That was disrespectful.
Damn, now it's going up to. It's crazy.
seems to kind of respect this area coming down.
Yeah.
Oh, that
Goes
bad boy.
bullish.
Damn it!
Oh,
You want to
you
yell?
think-
You want to do it for the tube? Put your TP here.
Yeah, let's do it.
Do it for the tube. I'll
go
just
for the
launch up
custom.
and hit stop.
YOLO. I feel like it's going to create a support.
You're trading what you think. Gotta trade what you see until
Yeah,
otherwise.
If we close bearish below this support level, then I'll take a sell because I want to see that clean traffic to the left go all the way down. But
Okay.
So like whenever it closes like with a support like this, and it's a small support, for buys, if you were looking for buys, would you wait for it to break the high? Of the,
I wouldn't do anything here.
Paul, I want to cut it.
Cut
the
it?
trade. Yeah.
Alright, you made
No
$4.
dollars.
$4. You're treating us to McDonald's tonight.
Paul, hey Paul, I want to hear more of your reasoning of why you wouldn't take a buy there.
Because of this. We have support. Support. Look at our previous resistance. Now we're making resistance again. So I'd expect this come into here, maybe hit this traffic here, and then maybe one more, and kind of like that. This just kind of makes me think that the hourly is going to want to make a bearish close first, and then we'll come down. If we're staying bearish, that is. But based on what we see now, I think we're staying bearish, unless we break resistance. But 30-minute, we still have not. We're still respecting structure.
Okay.
So if we're staying bearish, we should come down, or we're gonna start going back up.
So are you a lot less likely to take a trade on the 30 if the hour shows the trend is not moving that way?
I would have taken the sell here and then minimized here.
Okay.
Even though the hourly, everything still looks bearish, and this was a weak close. The rule is get out, so I would just get out, and then if the hourly closes bearish, then I would re-enter.
Hey Paul.
Yep.
So I was wondering how far did my trade went up and then came back. I just wanted to know how much in profit I was.
You were super close to 1-to-1. You were at like 0.94, 0.95.
So was that like 9 pips, almost 9 pips or something like that?
More than 9, because you got in right here. You were up about 31, and your target was like 33.
Yeah.
So you probably would have went break even.
Yep.
Or secured a little bit shy, but
I usually try to secure 10 pips and put my stop loss at break even, but I didn't notice how far that was.
yeah, I don't know if you would want to secure 10 on that, because you had a 32 pip stop. So to secure 10, you really kind of put yourself in a hole for risk to reward. Because that would only cover a third of one loss.
Yeah,
so
you're right.
You'd have to win 3 times to cover one loss. So I think your 1-to-1 was good. It just, you probably went break even and it just didn't hit. And we'll see if this can close bearish. If it doesn't, we'll see if the next one does.
Damn. Now we push.
Yeah. Just needed a little more breathing room.
I think it might retest the top.
I don't know if we don't break resistance here and we close bearish. I'm thinking about a sell.
I agree.
Same. Yeah.
I agree.
Yep. Tag me in.
That's gonna be some filthy risk to reward. Just to there is an 8-to-1, 9-to-1.
I like it.
I'm gonna set it here.
Can I?
Yep.
I'm sorry.
I don't like.
I'm gonna set it here. But we'll obviously secure once we kind of get here, because that's almost 10-to-1 anyway, and that's pretty ridiculous.
Before you resume it, can I just see what it looks like on 30 minutes? Just because that last candle looks like so tiny.
I don't see a strong resistance.
I mean, the last 2 candles were kind of small. Yeah,
Feels
I'll
like
take.
indecision to me, but it definitely has a higher probability that it can go down.
I'll take a sell. The same.
Where you on TP?
That's fine.
Okay. That is 13-to-1.
Hey, Paul.
Yep.
So I would like to enter for a sell after when it's coming down and it breaks that doji candle.
Yep.
I would enter like an impulse entry.
Yep. I think that's also a good idea. That's still, that's 6-to-1. Alright. Goes up or down, one or two ways. So
Ooh.
Mm.
Yes, that's
Nasty
what I was
little-
worrying about. Yeah, this might be coming down though.
Yeah, no.
There's a lot of indecision.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I want one on this one
yep. Okay.
because it's given us a top week.
Can I feast as well, please? You know,
Yeah.
it stole my steak the last time.
Same.
Alright. The leverage of the account won't let us put any more in, but everyone is in except
All right.
this person.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see what happens. To get on and talk, you have to be in the Discord group.
Paul, have you ever been margin called on an account?
In the beginning, yeah.
Such a good feeling, dude.
No, it's not.
Wow.
Yeah, I would have got out on that last one, but it moved too quick, so I wasn't gonna rewind it. Yeah, once this one dojied, I would have just closed. But oh well.
I've seen this on. I was reading the Candle Bible Stick, and when there's like indecision like that, it usually like what I saw was like the bullish candle, the decision candle, and then there's those doji indecision candles, and it either breaks or comes down. So it's really hard to know which way it's gonna go.
Yeah. To get the Discord link, you need to join the one-time fee mentorship fee, and then you get into Discord. Otherwise, you do not get into Discord. Go to Wednesday. Yeah, it was kind of late in the day there anyway, but we're still up. No worries, we'd be up more. But just moved too fast. Let's redo some zones. This one probably looks good, right?
Yeah.
Maybe move this one up here. This
Agreed.
one
I
Just a
think
little bit up, yeah.
Yeah.
Right
maybe
there.
there.
Yeah.
And then this one stay here.
Yeah, I don't think we need that very top one, though. I think that's the one where Sammy was looking 5 years back. Not Sammy, Jay.
Yeah, we'll leave it because I can't delete it and without deleting all of them. Ugh, unfortunately. There's your 1 hour. Got more people showing up today. That's good to see.
How many people are in the stream?
52 today. We normally get like 20.
Nice.
Zones look good here. You want to tidy them up? What are we thinking?
I like what I see.
Okay.
You know,
I see. Okay, so I'm thinking the. Hold on, let me annotate. So this is what I'm looking at. If you guys can see it, that's what I'm looking at.
Okay. What's up, Jody?
but Brody, what's under there? I see the support, but what's under there? There's only one handle to the left where it offers us, a sign of resistance.
Where?
That last one that you drew for Jody.
This one?
It does. Yeah. I see the support clearly, but resistance. This is the only thing I see as far as resistance back here.
I'd like to see it break that.
I would say this is too far. Even this is too far, to be honest. I'd only be looking at right here.
I'm seeing like that candle that it pushed up and then came down, like closed under it. That's why I was thinking, and then the next one pushed up, but yeah. So I'm looking for if price comes back under, maybe for like a sell if there's a resistance created.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm thinking.
I gotcha. So for this area, that's still valid. Why did we run through it here, run through it here, and run through it here like it wasn't there?
That's the on that last one, like that doji reaction, that candle where it pushed all the way up and then came back, closed under. That's what I was thinking. Like the recent reaction is maybe from that area. That's what I was thinking. Because of how the candle closed.
Okay. Alright, what do we got here? You see this dropping? SL above current, lower high. Okay. Just set it right here.
Whose entry is that?
Pippage in the YouTube chat.
Oh, okay.
Here's our 30-minute. And then London Open is right here, so let's give it a minute.
Yeah, see, it's more. It looks more better on the 30-minute. You can see how it created a support and then pushed up.
Mm-hmm.
This is open.
Yep, this is our open. We are 20 minutes in.
Damn.
I think
See
you
what
wanted to
hap-
stop loss up here, but it was too late. The bid was already in. The most recent higher low was here. You should have just been a little more specific, but it's okay.
Wonder if it's gonna break that.
So we're 30 minutes in. Actually, I think we're a little longer. We're hour 30 minutes in. Yep, no worries, Pippage. No worries.
When it's trending like that, like it's kind of, I mean, it's kind of bearish, I guess. But when other candles have that much volume and they're that close together, like, I mean, I guess that's different sessions too. So just in general, you probably wait like an hour sometimes until the next session, like when you get into a session.
What do you mean?
Like, you know, you jump into like New York right off a rip, you might want to wait for like the volume for it to kind of like stabilize itself and get itself together.
I mean, I wait for open, but that's it.
Yeah.
Just like 15, 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, look at sell, please.
Yep, I already got it in for you, Sammy. I knew it was coming. It's hourly too. I think it looks good.
No, Paul knows me too well now.
Oh,
I don't need to speak anymore.
Yeah, I knew it was coming. We'll just set this here just in case, you know? You never know. We would probably never hold it that long, but we can get to support.
You never know.
Yeah, I think that's a clean candle coming up. Maybe a little fake out in from London volume and then keep coming down. As long as we don't close bullish.
Ooh.
Alright, I'm out. Alright, close. Sammy, you staying?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to secure it or let it keep going?
I want to secure a 1-to-1.
Okay.
Don't know what that is, but ooh,
Nice.
Well played. Well played.
You got lucky on
Did it
that one. You got lucky as crap
Yeah.
on that one. Wow. Nicely done. Right.
Did it close?
No, that's not even closed yet. It's still pumping. But he hit 1-to-1, so I secured it. Yep. And my trade only lost $3.
Okay, stop. How big is the range in that?
Where?
So from where it's at right now, where the current price is at, to the blue line.
13,
What about the wick?
41.
Okay.
And then if you have a stop
Little
loss,
too
I would
strong.
say about 60 pips.
What I'm thinking is aggressive impulse, but I want to wait like at least 5 minutes for price to come back a little bit, wick up a little bit, and if it starts going back down, I want to enter like an aggressive stop loss for impulse.
Okay.
If we hit resistance here and form resistance on the close of that candle, I'd like to get in on a sell.
Okay. And let me know when you want to get entered if we come back and flip.
Yeah. Okay. Right here. Yep.
Quick vote.
Yep.
Sounds good, Pepe. Appreciate you coming. If you have questions on joining, just message me on Instagram. We can get you in and you can come to the simulations every Friday, as well as we do live trading Monday through Thursday.
Can you explain the entry on? Somebody just took a sell on that, but there was no resistance or anything like that. Was that just like an impulse or?
Yep, that's what he said. Just an aggressive one.
I was hoping for the higher time frame to work out.
Don't we all, brother?
There's no hope in the market, man. It'll rip your heart out.
I didn't like it, but I understood the idea. I just think if you were going to take one, there could have been a better opportunity because of what we're coming into. So we're coming into this here and this here, and price is going to give you an entry. Like here, there was an entry here. If you held it like Sammy did, you made money. If you minimized like I did, you barely lost, or you secured a little bit in profit. So
yeah, I was too premature, too early.
Did you just sub, Ammon?
Me? No.
Oh, Spencer Ammons subscribe. Thank you for the sub, Spencer.
Oh, that's what's up. He has the right last name. He gets it.
There's the one.
I don't know about people with that last name. I feel like I can't trust them.
There it is.
They're definitely too pretty for their own good. That's for sure.
Pretty. That hair on his head looks like a bird's nest.
Oh, you know.
Yeah, my camera. Yeah, that's bird nest vibes right there, homie. That does it for Paul, though, kind of. He's into bird.
Oh man.
So wrong.
Wow. I love birds.
Big bird guy.
You guys are effed up. Unbelievable. Did anyone want to trade on that bearish 30-minute close?
No, because that seems to be making support right now for me. I mean, weak bullish close, weak
This isn't
bearish
closed.
close.
This isn't closed yet.
Okay.
That's open
Yeah,
still.
let's see what that one does.
I think if our hourly goes bearish, even that one could have been a good entry, but hourly going bearish, be a little better, higher time frame confirmation. And I think structure should take us down and maybe push us through that 624 support.
Okay.
Yeah. If the hourly could close bearish, would be nice.
Yep. 7 minutes. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We go.
All right.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm gonna enter again.
Yep.
I'll sell that mug.
Yep.
you-
I'm
can
in.
you
I'm
come
in
up
with
with
you,
me?
bro.
Oh, okay.
Whose car alarm's going off?
It was. I asked if I could take one too. I
Yep.
was on mute though.
I think we can get 3
Oh,
total
these are
in.
too close.
All right, we're gonna max out the account.
The whole thing, the whole
It's-
whole shebang right
It's
here.
definitely messing up our data. I think next week we're gonna do it a little different, but it's okay. There's a lot of different, a lot of trade styles, and some trades you get 1, some trades you get 3, and it messes up the data a little bit, but that's okay.
How does the 30-minute look also? Oh, forget it.
I don't think it matters anymore.
Okay.
30 minutes.
No, that's what I want to look at. If there was a wick fill or something.
So this one could have been the entry.
Yeah, but it had no wick. I did not like that.
Yeah, and on the one trade that we lost with 3 indecision candles, like,
This is an indecision. I would have taken this.
yeah.
That looks perfect.
I mean-
There's resistance. Don't overthink the candle. You guys are doing a lot of thinking. Just, is it bearish? Is it resistance? Are we trending down? Take the trade and then manage. Remember, you think twice. You think when you enter, and then you think when that candle closes and you manage. And that's it. Whatever happens in this hour, completely out of our control. It goes our way or it doesn't. And I think we're past all of the volume that's coming in, so there shouldn't be any burst of anything coming in.
Oh, baby.
I want to click 50%.
Yep, I'm closing everything.
Yeah, same. It's passing that previous high.
Yep.
I'm out.
You know, I was watching y'all take those sells, and my concern was that whole area seems kind of like a range.
Yeah, it seems tough, like it's struggling to get through, but
I feel like we could break that. I mean, hopefully it breaks it, and we can mirror that candle looking left.
not ready to break yet. Yeah, I left that 50% in.
Yeah.
What's up, Jody? Hello, hello. And even though we're breaking the high, still bearish.
Yeah.
Okay. Jody says, F the boys, I'm going to take a buy. These guys have no idea what they're doing.
How much time left for it to close?
20 seconds.
20 seconds?
Yep. It's closed.
Ooh.
Did you want to exit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. God damn it. Look those bears. Oh, yep. Good choice.
Check, check. There we go.
Now, how could we have anticipate this?
Look what Jody's circling.
Okay.
We're just assuming that you're anticipating support's gonna hold. But once you
so.
get support, you probably bought here, you lost, and then you took a second entry here and you won. That's all. For the sells, once this closed here, go break even or put your stop here like we did, minimize it by, I don't know, 70%, like a small loss, and then call it a day.
Yeah, that support is really strong right now. I would not, if it comes back, I would not enter again for a sell. I would wait for it to break it and then some kind of resistance to be created.
Yep. I thought we were gonna break it too. I mean, I like this resistance. We're coming down.
Yeah.
And we minimized it, so it's a good trade for me. Didn't hit full stop, so it's a win. All right, let's go to the next day. We'll do one more. We're gonna go to the next day. We have lots of news today.
Away she goes.
All right, we'll go to the next day. This is Friday. We'll go to Monday. Oh my God! Oh, there now she's coming down.
There she is.
All right.
You got a nice support up
There
there.
we go. 4 hour.
This is a 4 hour?
This is our 4 hour, I believe. Yep.
Oops.
Nice for it to start to create resistance right there and come down.
Yeah, I think that's good enough for the 4 hour.
I agree. 1 hour.
Mm,
I think that looks good.
yeah.
Yeah, I think
This
it's
looks
enough time to
this
start
looks
it.
not great.
No.
Yeah. Would not like. Yeah.
All right, so see what open does last day. Try to get a dub.
Hey Paul, if we close under, if we close bearish under here, I'll take a breakout
Okay.
to come.
Yeah.
Yes, sirs.
Got to get past all that crap over there.
I was about to say, if it closes below that and then retest, I would take one to the downside.
Right here or under here?
Under where he circled.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
There we go. Come on.
Well, we broke that.
Psych.
It wants to.
It's a psych. Ugh. Alright.
All good. We're just getting started in London. If we go bearish right up in here, I think sells, and then we come down this clean traffic. So I don't know if you guys have been on the stream when we talked about the snow plow, the snow shovel. So this is dog crap, right? So we wouldn't want to trade into this, but now we have this coming down. So if we come down, we have clean traffic to trade to the downside.
We have
see
volume
what
now.
you're saying.
It did that a lot in Asian session. So if we close bearish, I think sells to come down, and we just kind of plowed the traffic out of the way. And I believe Sammy would be taking this as well, so we'll get Sammy's trade in.
Yes.
Right, Sammy, this
Often.
looks just like London, right? We get this nice move
Yes.
up, do a little fake out with London open, and then we come back down.
Yeah, we see
I'll
rejection,
take it.
bearish close, and then smack down to the bottom.
It's a Monday, so maybe we don't run that far, but see what happens.
This is the hourly, right?
This is the 30-minute.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
And it goes sideways, the disrespect.
Yeah.
Let's see what the hourly looks like.
It broke
Maybe.
up.
Yeah, that was rude. I think we're still coming down, to be honest. See if we close bearish. Oh, hold on. Paused it. Or not. Okay. What happened there? 30-minute. Made support, I guess. Okay. I mean, I guess we should be looking for buys.
After, if it breaks, it closes.
It is.
What's up?
I want to
If it-
see
if it
the solid
retests-
support.
Yeah, if it retests right down there, then I might take a buy.
Where?
Back. If it goes up a little more, I'll see like the next candle or two. If it goes up, creates a support.
Has the candle closed already, Paul? Or no?
Nope. 10. 9 minutes.
Okay. Let me take my entry right here for my buy. Can you just keep it at a 1-to-1?
Yep.
Think I would. Can we see on the left what's going on?
Possibly.
Rather than that.
I think it was a long time ago.
Mm.
This is what we got. We got clean move up here.
Or is the green one that we're entry, right?
Yep.
Might be a little risky. It would maybe lower the risk. Would want to wait for an aggressive impulse entry like earlier.
You want to do that, you said?
Yeah,
Okay,
with a
how?
lower risk.
How? Where?
So when price breaks the wick, yeah,
Then just 1-to-1.
yeah, I think so. Yeah, yeah,
Stop loss maybe here.
yeah.
Right, that's about
It
1-to-1.
doesn't come.
All right here. I'm a little salty. This doesn't work. This has been kicking butt these past few weeks in London.
So just in general, when you guys are doing breakouts, you're just waiting for it to break a strong support or strong resistance, and then hop in on that next candle after it's broken.
I hit my 1-to-1.
Why didn't it close it?
Oh, why? Yeah.
Oh no, your 1-to-one's up here, bro.
Oh, I did not
This
even
is-
peep that. Okay.
This is the entry here. This is his entry.
So I'm in, right?
Yep, you're both in, and your TP's here, Jay. Yours is here, Kevin.
Okay.
Ooh,
Nice.
That's it.
I didn't like
So,
that trade, but
like-
it played out nice. Because there was nothing to support it going up, but
Yeah.
it worked. Can't deny it worked.
Yeah, I was looking. Maybe there was the volume would carry it. So
It did too. Yep, right. I was right at New York Open here. Right. That'll be it. We can look at the results, but remember they're skewed because we'd have one person jump in on a winner, 4 people jump in on a loser. Different trades going all over, but we can look at how every trade should have been, if it hit a full stop loss, it was $100. So let's see how well we managed. Let's look at that. So we're gonna go. We're gonna go with green box if we won. Anything into positive. Oh, wrong column. Here we go.
How much do you pay a month for, or is it a one-time fee for the SIM?
One-time fee.
How much do they charge you?
$99. So green is all of our positives. This was definitely a minimized trade, but positive. Positive. Little bad streak. Alright, and then our minimized, we're gonna do blue. So this next two are gonna be the important ones. So if it was a full stop, it'd have been anywhere from 90 to 100. Minimized. Minimized. Those were full hits. And I think this was one trade. So this wasn't 5 losers in a row. This was everyone jumped in on that 1 hourly trade. But we'll still count it.
Order 26. That's the one I took.
Yep. This one of these two was you. I think that 26 might have been you. So here's 30. Another minimized. Another minimized. Another minimized. And then we had some full hits there. And we'll do red full hits. So remember, this was one trade.
yeah.
It was just everyone took the one trade. So we're going to count this as a group.
Yep, and got beat up like a redheaded stepchild.
Yep, so this is where I was saying the numbers are a little skewed because like these were individual winners. Maybe 2 people jumped in, and then this was one loss where 5 people jumped in. So this messes up the data a little bit. Here's a full hit. Full hit. Full hit. So now let's just look at the losers. We'll say 1 loss. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 losers. And we minimized 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we minimized 60% of the losers by 70 to 80%. If not 80 to 90, 95%. So do you see that? We should have lost an additional, let's go to, so we We are up $189, so 1.89%. But we should, if we didn't manage, we would have lost another 1, 2, 3,
700.
4, 5, 6. We would have lost basically another like 6 to 700, which takes this plus 1.9% down to minus like 5, 6, 7%.
That's pretty good.
So that's why we emphasize minimizing, because we do. Where's my calculator? Let's do some actual math.
The wins look bigger when you have minimized losses.
Yep. So 182 plus 1392 plus 769. Damn it.
Oh, I think you can just press clear. Just press the C, and it'll just take you back to the. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. I thought that would let you keep going.
Maybe you should just let Jody type it in since she had the biggest winner.
No. I got it, okay? I am fully capable.
That's it. We're talking to the wife.
Quiet. I need to focus. Plus 3310 plus 1705 plus 2639. Alright. So this would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This should have been 700 in losses, and we took 133.
Nice.
And then we'll
Almost
say
700.
minus 700. We minimized almost 6%. And if we look,
That's a whole Raja Banks course.
hey, it's a HST course. Come on now.
Okay, my bad.
Raja ain't here doing this. Not today. But so look at, we're up plus 1.9. If we add in that 5.6% we should have lost, this is a losing week or month, or you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So hopefully that gives some more perspective into why I always say if it closes against you, get out. And then if we do the math overall, when you take enough trades and you consistently minimize, it works. All right, that's it for simulation, guys. Thank you for joining us on Zoom and YouTube. I will see you all on, well, I'll see the YouTubers on Monday. The rest of you, I will see probably Sunday.
Well, have a good weekend. Have fun.
Good night, man. See you soon.
Yeah, lessons learned. Fix division.